Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off dark mode on Google Play Store, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off dark mode on Google Play Store, first open up your Google Play Store app on your phone. And after opening your Google Play Store app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And when this kind of interface appears, you can see the settings option available for us at the bottom of the list, just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear where you can find the general option available for us at the top of the list. Tap on general, and when this menu appears, guys, you can see the theme option available for us. Tap on the theme option, which is the fourth one over here. Now in order to turn off the dark mode on your Google Play Store, make sure the light theme is selected on this box and tap OK at the bottom right corner of the screen on this box like this, and then the dark mode on your Google Play Store will be turned off. And with that being said, guys, this is how to turn off dark mode on Google Play Store. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.